Hello, I'm back putting in the last package of the night. We're going to install this one by putting the package inside the box, and we'll come back tomorrow. We'll open up the box, the lid, we'll pull out the box, and we'll finish putting the frames into the box tomorrow, and then we'll leave them and come back in 3 days and check, make sure the queen's out. We've already pulled the cork out, and as I said in the last video, we've had problems with the bees chewing the rubber bands. We've always said put rubber bands on them, and we've had trouble with people saying the queen would fall on the bottom board face down and she would die. So we bought these nice
the attendants can't, or the bees can't
the bees
take care.
can't get to the queen if she's face down on the bottom board. So we bought these nice little plastic queen holders that sit on the frames. We've already pulled the cork out. She's face down, so the bees have good access to her. So we're going to put her in. We're going to put one more frame in on that side. We're going to take the top off. We're going to take the can out, put this wood top back on. We're going to set the box in the hive. Then we're going to pull off the hive and put the miller feeder on and walk away. We've painted this older equipment. So we're going to get started by shaking the bees down, and we're going to spray them. I'll set my spray bottle down. My hive tool's in my pocket. The queens are not in the package. Your can of syrup is. We're going to lift the can of syrup out. Let me grab my piece of wood back. Do it on the ground. One got out, trying to sting me. Come on, girl. I got it set down inside. I'm gonna grab my miller feeder right quick. I'm gonna move my sugar can. Queen's here, the bees are here. They're gonna crawl out of the cage onto the queen. We'll come back tomorrow and remove this box. We won't fill this up. We will only put about a quart of this in. When we come back tomorrow and take the box out, we'll finish pouring the rest of the gallon in here. We just want to get them through the night because they don't have any nectar sources.
And you are using an entrance reducer?
Yes, this one is an entrance reducer that's turned up. Let me slide the box back. It's turned up. Some people turn them down, some people turn them up. This one I think I nailed in place like that. This is some older equipment that I repainted. This is a ventilated inner cover. We use them year round. It's got propolis here that the bees built on during the summer. We want to put it on top of the miller feeder with this side down, the ventilation here. If you put it on this way, you're gonna have bees drown. Your screened inner covers go on like this, keep the robber bees from drowning. Get great ventilation. And then we got our telescoping top, and we always put a rock on top of the box. So we'll come back in the morning, put those frames in, pull the empty box out. And so we'll continue this video tomorrow. Have a blessed day. Good night. We're back this afternoon. It's been raining this morning. Yesterday, I installed these two packages. I got stung a couple times. The one thing I didn't talk about is I was cleaning up earlier and I walked in front of some hives and got stung a couple times, and I didn't smoke myself, so I don't know if they were just grumpy yesterday from being in the package for 4 days, 5 days, or if they was smelling the pheromones on my arms and the side of my head where I got stung. So I've got my smoker with me. I'm not going to light it unless they're grumpy. I want to show you how gentle these bees are. This is our sugar water to finish putting in. So I'm gonna take the top off. And then I'm gonna take the Miller feeder off. They hadn't drunk a lot of the sugar water. They're up in the feeder. And I'm gonna set it on the top. If they get grumpy and start coming out and stinging me, I will light the smoker. Oh boy, we got bees still on the box.
I'm gonna shake those in.
Yeah, I'm gonna shake them. That's what few dead bees were in the package. They overshake the package so you get your 3 pounds in case any died. Like I said, these were in the package from Wednesday to Sunday. Saturday, excuse me. So I have not smoked these bees. I want to pull this one out, see if we can see if they've started any comb. They hadn't started any comb yet on this one. They may be on that one where the queen is, but I don't want to disturb them. So I'm going to go ahead and put in our rest of our frames. We'll put the feeder back on. You see how gentle they are.
Got a big clump on the bottom of the feeder, so when you're putting it down, I know you're trying not to squish them.
Slide them. Oh, I forgot to pull my sugar water back in.
So do you have a favorite way to put the packages in?
Depends. If you have a lot of packages to put in, this method, placing the box in the thing, is easier. If you shake a lot of packages in one yard, one time I turned around, we'd shaked about 30, 35 packages. This was years ago. I learned from my mistakes. There's a right way, a wrong way, and a David Bailey way. We turned around and there was a swarm of bees hanging on the package. I mean, on the tree where we were shaking all the packages. We're gonna put our brick on top with the telescoping top. We're gonna let the bees crawl into the hive, and that's how you finish up this installation. If you don't take this out, I'll try to remember tomorrow. We'll shoot a small clip to add to this. I'll show you in our store, and we got it hanging up where one didn't get took out and the bee started building comb. So we save everything we can for education. So have a blessed day and come see us at the store. Good morning. These are the packages. I wanted to show you that if you don't go in the next day and you leave them in for 2 or 3 days, that they will draw comb in the package, and that is wasted effort on the bees. And also, I'll go ahead and show you this frame I have hanging up in the store. People ask me, do I need to put foundation in my hive? Well, this is to show you what bees do if you don't give them instruction and give them a starter strip or a piece of foundation. Have a blessed day. Come see us at Bailey Bee Supply.